The brain is an amazing thing. Well, not everyone's, but in most cases, when there is nothing there, the brain does all the work to fill in the blanks. That's why sometimes the best prank is no prank. There are no bugs in this house, but sometimes Mary gets bored.
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo nakaka-insulto yun, Kian eh. Ano akala mo sa akin? Mabibili mo ako ng ganun-ganun lang?
She likes to keep him on his toes. Yeah, I don't know. One of them thought they saw something and then it just sort of escalated. Eddie is terrified of birds, but he is bravely trying to remove the one in the plant for his wife. Pretty tense, though. Wait until he finds out it's a fake bird.
Is he dead? He's laying on the ground.
Ayan naman eh, kasi nung manang ako, ang dami-dami yung sinasabi. Ngayon nagdamit ako ng ganito, may parinig pa din. Ba't ba ako nalang palagi yung target? Reminder ha, tawa ko. Ha? Hindi ako dartboard, so yes, I have feelings.
If anyone needs him, Kenny will be in the truck.
Oh man, the bag will get you. I'm just kidding. Come on.
May shirt ka.
Earlier, there was a mouse in here, but it is long gone now.
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo nakaka-insulto yun, Kian eh. Ano akala mo sa akin? Mabibili mo ako ng ganun-ganun lang?